Want to personalize your ephemera, but you're not exactly sure how? Let me show you in this quick Joe Tips video. Now, first of all, what is ephemera? So with Stampin' Up, we have cool little pieces that you can add to all of your cards. It makes card making, scrapbooking so much quicker. These are punch out images, show them on the back here, that are easy to use. And they come in lots of colors, but there's also some that are black and white. So there's lots of images, some flowers, something for everyone, everything for a birthday, there's labels, and there's lots of words. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these, because maybe you want to create one that's not black and white. So I pulled out this one right here. So it comes in a pack where there are 2 designs of each one. And there are many ways that you can actually color them. I'm going to color them today with the watercolor pencils. So what you want to do is you just want to pull out whatever colors you want to use. And I think we're going to do this one in pinks and in blues. So I'm just going to pull them all out to start with. There you go. So what you're going to, and we need a green too. And what you're going to do is you are just going to color them. Now I want to give you a quick tip for coloring, and that's you don't want to color hard. You want to use your light touch. So if it's a problem for you to color lightly, one thing you might want to do is hold in your non-dominant hand another thing. So it could be an eraser, it could be a pencil, it could be a pen. And then you're just going to color in a circular motion. And this white, now I can't speak for all kinds of ephemera, so you're going to need to take a look. But for this particular white, it's a little bit heavier. And when it's a little bit heavier, then you can color on here. If it's a really flimsy one, maybe give it a try, but don't just assume it's going to be the same. So you're going to color these all in a circular motion. Now I don't want to keep you here while I'm coloring, so I'm going to skip to the end of this coloring so that you can just see the finished piece. So now I've done my shading, I've added a few more colors. You can see all of the colors that I did use. So I used 2, 4, 6, 8 different colors on this piece, but I want to show you how it goes together. So I've already taken some of the other ephemera on our note card here, and I'm going to add this with some dimensionals, and it's going to fit together perfectly, and it's going to have beautiful color on it. So I'm just going to put dimensionals on the back. And there you have a really quick card. So I just glued these down, and then on the inside I just have another set of words from the same ephemera pack. So that's a quick way that you can add some color to your ephemera. Again, just check and make sure that it's a little bit sturdier piece. And then I also colored this one right here. Now if I wanted to pull in some blue, because I really didn't do any blue, I can still do that. So what's great about our watercolor pencils is that we can still add it in. So here I'm blending some colors. So I'm still using my circular motion, pulling in some of that color so that there's just a hint of blue in here that will coordinate with our butterfly and with our thanks. So now that I've added a little bit more blue in there, then it coordinates just a little bit more with the butterfly. Now what if you have lots of colored ephemera, and there are all kinds of colors on here? I want to show you one where I've taken a colored ephemera, a colored flower, and I've added some color in there. So I've added color to the flower just to give it a little bit more personality, a little bit of purple, a little bit of blue, some deeper rose color, and then I also did just a little bit of shading around the petals. So you can take any kind of ephemera as long as it's got enough tooth and enough weight to the paper, and add your own personal touch. So thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this Joe Tips. Be sure to sign up for my email where I share all kinds of exclusive tips only with my email subscribers. You can do that at designwithjoe.ca. Thanks very much. Have a great paper crafting day.